Let's cook no-bake brownies. So these are the ingredients. 3/4 bar butter, 1 cup sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 cup cake flour, 1 cup chocolate powder, and 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Please subscribe to our channel. So first, melt the butter, pour in the pan, add sugar, egg, and vanilla. Mix until well blended. Next, shift the flour and the chocolate powder in the batter mixture. Then, add the chocolate chips and blend well. Next, grease the baking pan with butter. Pour the chocolate mixture and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. This brownies is made by Sophia, and David is the one doing the videos. And this is our no-bake brownies. Enjoy! This is Kiel. And in behalf of my wife, for the ingredients, thank you for watching. Till our next video, please subscribe to Brighter Life.